Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the BuildLeaf Tirzepatide GLP-1 Herbal Liquid. And as you can see, we have it pulled up here on Amazon. So if you don't know what this product is, it is basically a product that helps with you, or with your health and your weight loss. And as you can see, within 4 to 8 weeks, they claim that you can lose weight. So for example, right here, weight loss for men. So you can go from being obese to being skinny. So as you might already know, guys, that this will not help you go from this to being skinny, since it's all tied into your diet. So even if you use this product consistently, or any product for that matter, you won't go from being obese to being skinny, since it's all in the diet and exercise and caloric deficit. So please do not believe in claims like these, guys. These are just scams. They do not even show the product themselves. So this is a clear indication of a scam. And here on Amazon, they are rated 2.9 out of 5 stars, which is 7 ratings. And I also couldn't find any other information about this product besides this specific page on Amazon alone. And before we read the reviews, while you're waiting for my next video, scammers are still targeting you. That's why I put together this research system that you can use right away. The link is in the description down below. So you can just check it out, and yeah. So with that out of the way, let's read some reviews here. And as you can see, no noticeable changes. I don't know why he rated 3 stars, or she. So I don't know what this is supposed to mean, but 5 stars. Don't believe this is made in the USA, waste of money, and a lot more. So please, guys, this product is pretty shady at the moment, since there's not a lot of information about this product. And yeah, please, I advise you to do some more research about this product, if there is, before buying it, or just buy another product entirely that's more safe and reliable. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.